Welcome students to the chemistry classes for class 9th. Last class we had studied about modern representation of atoms, elements and some symbols. Okay, now all of you are confirm with this elements and symbols. Now today just we'll discuss about IUPAC. Okay, now just what is that IUPAC? Something about this one I will teach you. The International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. It is an international non-government organization which is established in 1919. Nomenclature. In general, it is a system of naming chemical compounds and describing the science of chemistry. Some man-made elements are given temporary three letters symbols. Now, we'll discuss about the atomic mass. Before this one, some significance of the symbols of an element you should remember. Symbol represent name of the element. Remember this one. Symbol represent name of the element. It represents one atom of the element. It represents a definite mass of the element. It represents mass of the element which contains one Avogadro's number of atoms of that element. Is it clear? See significance of the symbol of an element. Now, definitions. Atomic mass. So, every atom has some characteristics. Mass of its own, which is known as atomic mass. All the atoms of element have the same atomic mass. Atoms of different elements having different atomic mass. It is difficult to determine the mass of an individual atom. So the mass of atom is ascertained in relation to the mass of C12 isotope. That is atomic mass. In fact, relative atomic mass. C12 is an isotope of carbon and its mass is used as a standard reference to calculate the relative atomic mass of all elements. Means C12. What is that C12? C12 is an isotope of carbon and its mass is used as a standard reference. The IUPAC adopted 1/12 of the mass of C12 atomic mass as a standard unit. That is known as atomic mass unit, AMU, or unified atomic mass unit, U. Atomic mass unit equal to 1/12 to mass of C12 atom. In simple words, atomic mass is a term which gives the total mass of protons and neutrons in an atom. Also, the atomic mass is measured with respect to mass of 1/12 the mass of one carbon atom. Remember this one. Atomic mass is a term which gives the total mass of protons and neutrons in an atom. And also the measured with respect to mass of 1/12 the mass of one carbon atom. It is atomic mass unit. Okay. Now atomic mass. The atomic mass of some of elements are given in this table. You remember this one. For hydrogen 1, helium 4, carbon 12, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16, fluorine 19, neon 20, chlorine 35.5, potassium 39, calcium 40, argon 40, iron 56, copper 63.5, zinc 65, sodium 23, magnesium 24, sulfur 32, bromine 80, silver 108, gold 197. Okay, now atomic mass unit. It is defined as the exactly, what is that one? 1/12 the mass of atom of carbon 12. Atomic mass unit is only number that has no unit. On this basis, the atomic mass of carbon atom is 12 AMU. So it is atomic mass unit. Relative atomic mass. It is the ratio of mass of one atom of an element to the mass of atom of hydrogen atom, which is taken as unity. Okay, definition with respect to carbon. It is the ratio of mass of one atom of an element to 1/12 mass of an atom of carbon. So these are some terms, relative terms which you should have to remember. Okay, some definitions which I am giving you. Okay, now gram molecular volume, the volume occupied by. Okay, just